take your thumb off, pull your brake in, aren't you? You think you do that by yourself then? Brilliant. Drive forward then.
Wow.
And
Very stop, Ada, stop.
Pull your brake in. There you've got to hold it in all the way. So you pull it in until you stop. And then you let it go. So we'll try that again, okay? Drive forward.
Stop.
Yeah, well, that's it. Drive forward again. Press the button all the way in. And stop. Put your brake in now. There you go. Well, remember when you stop it, you want to put it in, keep it in. Don't just go like that, yeah? In case you need a couple of stops and stay stopped, yeah? Are you all going to practice round here? You're going to go round and round this track and get used to it. Go on then, off you go.
Whoops. Stop. Go on.
Press it in again. That's it. That's it. Give it a turn.
Okay, turn.
That's it. So press your button in again. Make it go. Just your button. That's it.
There. That's it. Oops.
Turn it. There we go. Turn it again.
Turn, Genesis.
You make way back on the track, aren't you?
On the track, on the track.
There we go.
Wow.
Back on the track then. There we go.
There, stop. Doing great. Wait. She's away. She's doing great. She's even a good driver than her mom. Hey. Go ahead, Jen. Go. Whoops, whoops, whoops. All right. All right.
Here we are.
Wave mo na, Jen. Just slowly.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Bye muna, bye. Bye from here.